Topic is bonds in brickwork. Brick. Three important terms should be remembered related to brickwork bond. First is stretcher. Longer face of the brick is called stretcher, and second is header. Shorter face of the brick is header, and third is queen closure. Queen closure means queen closure obtained when brick is cutting lengthwise in two portion. That is queen closure. Three important terms should be remembered. Important bonds in brickworks. Two important, very most important bonds in brickwork. First is English bond and second is Flemish bond. English bond is the strongest bond, and Flemish bond, appearance of Flemish bond is attractive. For bonding, first important rule is, in order to break the vertical joints in the successive courses, it is essential to place queen closure after the first header in each heading course. In all type of bonds in brickwork, the first is English bond. In English bond, alternate courses of stretcher and header. For example, first course is stretcher. There is all bricks laid in stretchers. First course is stretcher course and second course is header course. All bricks laid on headers. But after first header, place queen closure for break the vertical joints. This is the English bond. And second important bond is Flemish bond. In Flemish bond are two types. First is double Flemish bond, means Flemish bond in front of wall and Flemish bond in backing of wall. Both side is Flemish bond. And single Flemish bond in facing of wall there is Flemish bond, and backing of wall there is English bond. So this is the combination of English and Flemish bond. We have discussed double Flemish bond. In double Flemish bond or Flemish bond, every course consists a alternate stretcher and header. For example, first course, first brick is place stretcher, then second header, again stretcher, then header. And second course start with header, and after first header, remember the rule of bonding, after first header place the queen closure for breaking the vertical joints. Header, play after first header place queen closure, then stretcher, then header, then stretcher. This is the arrangement of bricks. This type of arrangement in bricks is called double Flemish bond. Difference of English bond and Flemish bond. English bond is strongest bond, and Flemish bond not strong but good appearance, having a good appearance. That is the queen closure used both bonds, and bats are used in Flemish bond. Bats are not used in English bond.